Tesla Model Y rear spacer can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Tesla Model Y rear spacer can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Tesla Model Y rear spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicles. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicles an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Tesla Model Y rear spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame while assembling other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Tesla Model Y rear spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Tesla Model Y rear spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory with high security and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS Tesla Model Y rear spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the chip spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will default and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Tesla Model Y rear spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standard.